Good evening, student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with question solution of exercise 6.5. In 6.5 question total there are 17 question. So it is not possible to solve all the 17 question in one video in one session. So maybe possible I will uh, try to upload the solution in two part 1 and part 2. Today I will solve some questions, and in my next video you will find the next question related to exercise 6.5. Let's go to the board and solve and see how I am solving the question exercise related to question 6.5. Now see student, this is question number 3. I am starting from question number 3 because 1 is very easy. You have to judge only whether it is a whether it is a right angle triangle or not. To use Pythagoras theorem and judge whether it is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, and it will be easy. Question number 2 is something similar to question number 3. That's why I choose question number 3. If you will understand this question number 3, you can easily solve the question number 2. Let's see what is question number 3. Question number 3, given that ABD is a triangle such that angle A is equal to 90 degree and AC perpendicular to BD. To prove AB square is equal to BC into BD. Second one is AC square is equal to BC into DC, and third one is AD square is equal to BD into CD. Here lots of angles are connected to each other. So first we need to recognize which one are equal to each other. So let's see, here angle A is theta, and this part, if I will take this part is theta, this part of this angle A will become 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. And see, here the 90 is there, here 90 minus theta, then this one will become the theta, because if 190 is there, then the angle of this one and this one will be equal to 90. Similarly, here also 90 is there and this one is theta, so this angle will become 90 minus theta. It is easy. So just put out all those things and go to the solution. Let's first solution will be something like that. I will solve something like that. The first solution, proof of first. So judge which triangle we have to use to prove AB square is equal to BC into BD. In triangle ABC it is AB, and in triangle ABD it is AB. So first we have to use the whole triangle, that is ABD, and second one is ABC. So name as per according to the given instruction, that is theta and 90 minus theta, we have to name something like that. So I am using in triangle, first I am telling in triangle ABD, I have started from the 90. So in this triangle ABC, I have to start from the 90. So and triangle, I will start from C. Now B is common, CBA. Okay, CBA, not ABC. It will be called CBA. Okay, it will be called CBA. CBA. This will be the angle. And do the similar and solve this equation. So first thing is that angle A is equal to, now the first angle BAD is equal to angle BCA, that is equal to 90 degree. Second one will be angle B is equal to angle B, that is equal to common. Now triangle ABD similar to triangle CBA, the criteria will be angle. After similar, we can say that AB divided by CB, AB divided by CB is equal to BD divided by BA. Now think that how this I have written this one. just make the pair. First start from A, it will be AB. If I will start from A, I will start from C, it will be CB. So AB by CB. A has content, so A will be left. Now this time BD, and the corresponding of BD will be BA. So, and the third will be AD, and the corresponding of AD will be AC. Okay, yes, CA. Now see this one. If I will do the cross multiplication, I will get this one. So do the cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, it will be AB square is equal to BD into CB. This one will be the proof of first. Now see this one, proof of second. The second is AC square is equal to BC into DC. This time AC will contain as in triangle ACB and ACD. Though we now it is decided that we have to do the similar of triangle ACB and ACD. So name according to the theta and 90 minus theta. So as per the naming, in triangle, if I will start from A, in triangle ACB, now I have to start and triangle DCA, and triangle DCA, because I have started from 90 minus theta and go to 90 then theta. So I will start from 90 minus theta, come to 90, and then will be theta. Now in this situation we have to say that angle CAB is equal to angle CDA, that is equal to 90 minus theta. Now the one angle is 90, so ACB is equal to DCA, that is equal to 90. Now the triangle is congruent, so we can say that triangle ACB congruent to triangle DCA, the criteria is angle. Now we can say that by similar criteria the side will be proportionally equal, so just make it the pair. It will be AC divided by DC is equal to CB divided by CA, and just after doing cross multiplication I will get AC square is equal to CB into DC. This is the proof of second. AC square is equal to CB into DC. This is the proof of second. See this one, the proof of third, AD square. So first decide which triangle we have to do the similar. AD, this time AD is 2 times, so first triangle will be in triangle ADB, AD will be there, and ADC, AD will be there, 2 times AD. So we will use triangle ADB and ADC. So name according to the theta and 90 minus theta. So we will start from, if I will start from in triangle ADB, then I have to start from C. Okay, because in ADB A is the 90 degree, in ADC C is the 90 degree. So C, then D, and then A. Okay, now the first angle will be angle ADB is equal to angle CDA, that is equal to 90 minus theta. The second will be angle BAD is equal to angle ACD, that is equal to 90 degree. Now the triangle ADB similar to triangle CDA, criteria is angle. Now this time we have to make the corresponding side equal. It will be AD divided by CD is equal to DB divided by DA. After doing cross multiplication I will get AD square is equal to DB into CD. This will be the proof of third. So this is the solution of question number 3. Question number 6, question number 4 and 5 is very easy, that's why I am not going to solve here. Question number 6 of exercise 6.5 is ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. We have to find each of its altitude. So as you know that in an equilateral triangle all the three altitudes are equal to each other. If we will find AD, then it will be equal to the next two altitude from B and from C. Whatever will be the same length will be there. So for this I have to use the Pythagoras theorem. As you know that from the opposite vertex to D, it will be the perpendicular bisector of BC. So it will divide BD equal to CD in two parts. So here the BC is A, so length of the BD will be A and length of the CD will be A. Now use Pythagoras theorem. The solution will be in triangle ADB, I have to find ADS. Then AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square by PGT. So I can say that 2A whole square minus A square. So it will be 4A square minus A square. So it is 3A square, that is AD square. So AD will be under root 3A square. So AD will be under root 3A unit. So length of altitude will be under root 3 unit. This will be the answer. So length of each altitude of triangle ABC is under root 3A unit. This will be the proof solution of question number 6. So student, this is question number 7. Prove that sum of a square of sides of rhombus is equal to the sum of a square of its diagonal. Very important question for examination view. Very important question. So I have drawn ABCD is given. It is given that ABCD is a rhombus. I have drawn the figure, and AC and BD are its diagonal. We have to prove AB square plus BC square plus CD square is equal to DA square plus DA square is equal to AC square plus BD square. As you know that the rhombus all sides are equal. If you will prove this one as 4AB square or 4BC square or 4CD square or 4DC square, whatever, it will be same as the above. Okay, let's see what we have to prove this one. So there are four right angle. As you know that the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree in rhombus. So there are four right angle triangle. Choose any one. So if I will go in triangle AOB, write Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square is equal to AO square plus AO square plus OB square by PGT. Okay, as you know that the diagonal is equally bisect, so I can find that. Put the value of AO square in respect to AC, it will be AC by 2 whole square. Now OB in respect to BD, it will be BD by 2 whole square. Diagonal or perpendicular bisector. Now it will be AB square is equal to AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. Take the LCM and cross multiplication the 4. It will be 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. This will be the proof of question number 7. Okay, you can stop here, or you can 4 times write AB and then you can write this one, because all the sides are equal. So this one will also be the count as the proof. Now come to question number 3. This is most important question. Today I am solving the all important question related to exercise 6.5, that is most important, and it is always come to school examination as well as board examination. So question number 13 will be one of them. It is given that D and E are the point on side CA and CB of triangle ACB such that angle C is equal to 90 degree. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. We have to prove this one. As I have made the figure also, just see the figure and analyze things. Here I have to start from this one, AE square plus BD square. Let's see how I am starting. The solution or proof will be something like that. AE square plus BD square. See this one, AE square in triangle AEC, in triangle AEC, in triangle AEC, AE square is equal to AC square plus EC square by Pythagoras theorem. And BD square in triangle BDC, in triangle BDC, it will be BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. So write the term here. AE square can be written as AC square plus EC square by Pythagoras theorem, all are by PGT. Now BD square can be written as plus BD square. BD square is BC square plus CD square, all are by PGT. Okay, now see, AC square and BC square write in one, and then is EC square plus CD square. Now analyze thing, AC square plus BC square, it will be AB square. Okay, EC square plus DC square, it will be DE square. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, it will be AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square by Pythagoras theorem. And in triangle DEC, in triangle DEC, it will be DC square plus EC square is equal to DE square, is equal to DE square by Pythagoras theorem. This is the proof of question number 13. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Now this is question number 14 of exercise 6.5. It is given that ABC is a triangle such that AD is perpendicular to BC and BD is equal to 3CD. Show that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. For this I have make a triangle ABC. Draw the perpendicular AD perpendicular to BC. Now I have taken the value. I have taken CD is equal to x. For this BD will be 3x and BC will be 4x. X plus 3x will be 4x. Let's see from LHS how I will solve this one. Write LHS. Now 2 and AB square. In LHS it is 2AB square. It will be written as, see this one, 2AB square in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD. AB square will be AD square plus BD square. It will be H square plus 3x square, AB square. This will be the value of AB square. So write here. So it will be 2 AB square, that is H square plus 3x square, 3x whole square, 3x whole square, 3x whole square. Solve this one. 2 H square plus 9x square. Now multiplied by 2, it will be 2h square plus 18x square. This one will be the LHS. Now RHS term. Now RHS, it is 2ac square, RHS is 2ac square plus bc square. So write this, see this one, 2ac square. AC square can be written as AC square in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, AC square will be AD square plus CD square. So I can say that H square plus X square. This will be the value of AC square. Write the value of AC square. It is H square plus X square. Now BC square. BC is completely 4x whole square. Now 2h square plus 2x square plus 16x square. Add, it will be 2h square plus 18x square. So this will be the thing that LHS will and RHS. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now I can say that from equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Now I can say that from equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. So student, this will be the proof of question number 14. So I am stopping myself. In my next video you will find the rest of the question of this exercise that is important for the board examination as well as the school examination. Till that, have a good day. Keep watching my channel. Thanks. If you will like, then subscribe my channel. Share it with your near and dear one. God bless you. Take care. Good night.